10 ways to use ribbons and bows to romanticize your look. The first is to tie your ribbons around your shoelace. This is such a cheap, simple, easy way to elevate your regular sneakers. So I have my Air Force Ones here, but I just tied my Chanel holiday ribbon around the shoelace. I've worn these out a couple of times. The ribbon never came off. It's a great way to personalize your sneakers, especially if everybody has a pair of simple white sneakers. You can easily change up the look by tying some colorful or elegant ribbons. These ribbon hair clips you can find really cheap on Amazon or a lot of places, and they are just a quick and easy way to add something cute to your look. Very simple. It serves a purpose. Hold your hair back. And even if you don't have the hair clips, you can even hack it with a bobby pin. So just grab your ribbon, tie a bow, and then pin it onto your bobby pin to create a very similar look. Continuing on the hair, I really love these very big exaggerated ribbons. This one is a velvety texture. You can find these again anywhere because they are actually so trendy these days. But I really like how it instantly kind of elevates your look if you want to add more girliness to your look. And you can hack the same thing with a simple tie and a ribbon. So you basically, as you would expect, tie the ribbon around your hair tie and then turn it into a bow. Now you have your own hair tie with a bow on it. And the benefit of this is you can just buy any types of ribbon. Just grab a bunch. I have some sheer ones. The ribbons that I have are basically just from packaging. This one, for example, is from a Net-a-Porter packaging. So definitely don't get rid of the cute little ribbons that come with your packaging. I've seen a lot of trendy bags with ribbons, but you can easily hack it with pretty much any of your favorite bag and just tie the ribbon around the handle. You could even tie one on each side or even tie a bunch around the handle to create a more exaggerated look. And this is such a simple way to try out the trend. Just because ribbons are trendy now, ribbon bags are popular now, doesn't mean you might like it in the future. So this is super easy to jazz up the look of your existing handbags. Another place you might not think to use a ribbon or a bow is actually your jewelry. So I have this pair of hoop earrings and I have a thinner Chanel ribbon, and same thing with the hair tie. Simply just tie a cute little bow. Now you've got yourself a little statement earring with a very exaggerated bow. But of course you can cut it shorter. Basically just buy a roll of ribbon and cut it into whatever length that suits whatever it is that you are trying to dress up. Another simple thing you could do with a ribbon is to turn it into a headband or hairband. So simply pick your favorite ribbon, tie it around your hair, turn it into a cute little accessory. Wow, I look like a Christmas gift with the red and the green, but this is such a quick and easy way to just add something special to your look, especially when you feel like you're wearing a very simple outfit or you want to dress up for something special but don't want to invest in statement-y accessories to only use it once. Then ribbons are actually really flexible in turning into cute little pieces to change up your look. Another thing you could do with the ribbon to turn it into another piece of jewelry is create a ribbon choker, and it is exactly like the name suggests. I would not wear these two combined, but if you ignore the head, this is essentially a statement almost necklace piece, especially in the summertime when it's pretty hard to layer more clothing pieces to create sophisticated or interesting looks, then definitely take advantage of ribbons. You can even tie like a short piece of ribbon, for example, around your existing necklace, and now you have a necklace with a bow pendant. And if you wear like a simple white baby tee, I feel like this definitely gives off the Y2K vibe. I mean, even with the dress that I'm wearing now, it is really cute. Just add something a little bit unexpected to your outfit that is so easy to create, and if you're sick of it throughout the day, you can just take it off of your neck. Another place to tie a ribbon is on your sunglasses. Now, this is very much inspired by the Jenny and Gentle Monster collaboration. Collaboration has a bunch of essentially accessories to hook onto the side of the sunglasses. So I figured, hey, you could create almost similar look with your ribbon. It is a little bit exaggerated because the ribbon length is quite long, but hope you get what I mean by, you know, accessorizing the side of your sunglasses gives your maybe simple or boring sunglasses a different look. Next up, if you want to change up the look of your simple tank tops, you can even pin a ribbon on it. I'm simply using a safety pin to secure it on. So now you have a top with a bow detail. Similar concept to tying your bow around your necklace. This again just helps very quickly change up the look of a simple outfit. Another piece that maybe we forget we could use ribbon to deck up is a simple baseball cap. And for most baseball caps, they usually have the adjustable bits at the back. So tie your ribbon around it. So now you have a cute little bow on the back of your baseball cap. I love this is the perfect juxtaposition of something that's a bit boyish, a bit more neutral versus something that is super girly. Let me know in the comments below what other creative ways you accessorize your look with ribbons or bows.